Number 13. They agreed to blank the new project next month. The keyword is start. A. Initiate. B. Abandon. C. Conclude. D. Ignore. Answer is letter A. They agreed to initiate the new project next month. Number 14. The lake was so blank that it looked like a mirror. Keyword is calm. A. Rough. B. Noisy. C. Tranquil. D. Shiny. Answer is letter C. The lake was so tranquil that it looked like a mirror. Number 15. She was blank by the surprise party her friends planned. The keyword is touch. A. Irritated. B. Moved. C. Annoyed. D. Offended. Answer is letter B. She was moved by the surprise party her friends planned. Number 16. She tried to blank the news to her friend gently. The keyword is tell. A. Hide. B. Convey. C. Avoid. D. Refuse. Answer is letter B. She tried to convey the news to her friend gently. Number 17. She gave a blank answer to the question. The keyword is short. A. Lengthy. B. Confusing. C. Brief. D. Unclear. Answer is letter C. She gave a brief answer to the question. Number 18. They managed to blank the problem quickly. Keyword is solved. A. Resolved. B. Complicate. C. Cause. D. Ignore. Answer is letter A. They managed to resolve the problem quickly. Number 19. The instructions were blank for everyone to follow. Keyword is simple. A. Difficult. B. Advanced. C. Irrelevant. D. Straightforward. Answer is letter D. The instructions were straightforward for everyone to follow. Number 20, last item. She was blank to help him with the task. Keyword is willing. A. Reluctant. B. Discouraged. C. Indifferent. D. Eager. Answer is letter D. She was eager to help him with the task. So this video ends here, and I hope you found this helpful. And if you like this quiz, please subscribe, like, share, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Good luck and thanks for watching.